location. Yeah, we on your radar. Hey, look, top floor.
Înainte a mai lucrat cineva la ea. Și lăsă de aici, dacă vedeți, și șurubul ăsta s-a mai lucrat înainte la ea. A venit și șeful la mare. Cel puțin fac o chestie educațională. Și să vedem cum funcționează acesta, mișcă pinul ăsta.
Situation, could have gone real bad. I did, took a long vacation, no doubt left man of them mad. Gone. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. Nah, if they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a two-man pack. Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. Ain't coming back. If they could, they probably should. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. Ain't coming back. If they could, they probably should. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would.
I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. I did, took a long vacation, no doubt left none of them mad. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. If they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a two-man bad. I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. I did, took a long vacation, no doubt left none of them mad. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. If they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a two-man bad.
Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. I ain't coming back. If they could, they probably should. Oh yeah. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. Left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would. I ain't coming back. If they could, they probably should. Oh yeah. I left the hood, I said I would. I left the hood, I said I would.
I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. I did, took a long vacation, no doubt left none of them mad. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. If they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a two-man bad.
I was caught up in a situation, could have gone real bad. I did, took a long vacation, no doubt left none of them mad. Gone. I left the hood, I said I would, so I'ma get mine and I won't feel bad. Nah, if they could, they probably should, but most man end up in a
Descoperi problema la asta. Se ducea în furca asta de aici. Vedeți cum e mâncat aici? Restul pinioanelor sunt bune. Doar asta. I think this one is rear.
Yeah, this is rear.
And
because
the
I
fifth?
push in and
Yeah.
see,
Okay.
is rear gear.
Rear gear. Nice. But why the fifth was not going?
5.
Yeah. Which one is one? Which one is?
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, and need pushing 5. Yeah. Not need pushing. This is 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I think. But where is 5? For him was 5 gears.
Yeah, 5 gears. It's not with the 4 gear, you know.
But he can switch.
This one, but why is touching this one?
No, this is for one side is rear.
Okay.
And other side need be. Oh, now it's 5.
5.
Yeah, I think.
Then how is it? 1, 2,
Middle is 3,
Three.
4.
4.
Switch in. Focus to neutral. This will
5.
be. Or this is 5 maybe. Another side is gear, the rear. Because this primar axle, here is all
Yeah,
wheels.
the synchronizer was
Yeah.
fucked up here.
6.5 hours later.
Because this all this
Yeah,
side is seat.
this one was going too much up and was touching here in this.
Yeah, and there is this sound.
Yeah, it was like this.
Few moments later.
Deci zgomotul care îl făcea cutia în mașalier era că furca asta atingea în pinionul ăsta. Și ăsta de aici, când îl scoteam de pe mașalier, îl scoteam pe liber, atingea în asta de aici de jos. Vedeți cum este mâncat? Deci el practic trebuia să coboare un pic mai jos. Ăsta trebuia să coboare un pic mai jos, ceva de genul ăsta, ca să nu mai atingă în ăla. Dar probabil furca asta îl ținea și atingea în ăsta aici, vedeți? Și de aia făcea zgomot el. Și mă băgam în... Nu pot cu mâna. Când îl băgai în mașalier, îl băgai în mașalier, atingea asta aici. Asta învârtindu-se așa, făcea zgomot. Deci aici e mai mult o problemă de... E mai mult o problemă de proiectare, că furca asta nu ar fi trebuit să urce atât de sus. Ar fi trebuit să aibă un stop undeva. Interesantă treabă. Și rulentul ăsta de aici, uite-alea, tot ce joc are. Deci nu mă surprinde că nu mergea cum trebuie. I'm just, you know, very curious how this was working and try to understand something. I think that this is the common problem on the bearing is
Bearing move.
no, bearing is good, but this one, look, this one, how is it?
Oh, yeah, but this is axle.
Yeah, but still is transmission should not be so loose.
Yeah, there also can be this sound.
I think this one should be a little bit more inside.
You don't have space.
Yeah, but someone was working here, but look how much silicone
Yeah,
put inside, you know.
yeah, have space, loose space.
You know.
But this
Yeah.
this is clutch, other.
Here.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
See this clutch, clutch. Here is bearing.
Yeah, someone open. But now, how you can solve this problem? Changing this one?
Check what speed it moves. How
Is
much
this?
he go up?
This one was.
Also problem with this.
Three days later.
We forgot to put the fifth one. But this one is somewhere here. And something like that. And this one was, you know, inside of
Yeah.
pocket. Then one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the reverse. No, this is 5. And this bearing from here is out or is moving. Should not move. This one should be tight. Should be fixed. Fix it, tight it.